What's going on, guys? This is a major announcement, and it's not just a cool bucket hat. This is Google have dropped their latest model, Gemini 2.0. The Flashback, I think it's called. Let's double check here. The Flash experimental model. And it has this feature which is, I think, really, really handy. And I've already had so much use case out of it this morning from playing around. And it's called their Stream Real Time. And effectively what that can do is it can record the screen, i.e. your screen, and interact with it in the sense that you can ask it questions about what it's seeing on the screen and help you answer questions or problems or solve challenges that you're kind of running into. And the way I see it is it like allows you to kind of start to 2, 3, 5, 10x yourself when it comes to the speed of doing tasks and just helping you kind of process information. So let's take it for a spin. There's 3 use cases that I've picked out for us, which is helping me build out automations, using it for kind of LinkedIn and LinkedIn-esque tools. And then the third is like reporting and helping me understand reporting metrics. So I'm going to shut up now because I'm going to talk to the AI, but let's have a look at what it can do and the power of this new Gemini model. Hello.
Hello to you as well. Is there anything I can help you with?
Yeah, what do you see here?
I see a diagram that appears to be a workflow or a process map. It has various nodes connected by lines, with labels like website visitor, social media, Google search, and others. It seems to depict the flow of data or actions in a system. Is there a specific aspect of this diagram you'd like me to elaborate on?
Yeah, I am curious about what this node does. Could you perhaps help me with that?
Certainly. The node you're asking about is labeled prep.json. It appears to be designed to transform and format data into a JSON structure, extracting topics and job titles using a JavaScript expression. Is that the type of information you were looking for?
Sounds great. Now I want you to help me with an issue that I've got on LinkedIn. I've come across this really interesting post here from Tommy Clark. You can see the post is around kind of founder-led content. I want you to help me reply to this. You can see here there are a couple of comments already. So take inspiration from that, but I basically want to reply to this in an authentic and meaningful way and add value to this particular post.
Okay, I see the LinkedIn post by Tommy Clark, and you'd like to reply in an authentic and meaningful way, adding value to the discussion. The post lists 5 content formats: monthly or yearly recaps, 2025 predictions, trend jacking, startup story, and product curation. Given that, what kind of response do you think would be valuable to add?
Well, I have an idea, but I'm curious, what do you think would be valuable?
Okay, I can suggest a few ideas based on the content of the post. You could ask Tommy about his specific experience with one of the content types, or share a success story of how you've used one of the mentioned content formats to increase engagement, or even ask for more examples related to product curation, as that one's the most specific of all the 5 mentioned. What do you think about those?
Yeah, let's go with your last suggestion there around product curation. Do you want to draft up a comment around that?
Sure. Here's a draft of a comment you could post. Interesting list, Tommy. I'm particularly curious about product curation. Could you share some examples or best practices on how to make that content format successful? Would you like me to adjust this in any way?
Yeah, make it more casual. It seems a bit formal.
Okay, how about this? Hey, Tommy, great list. I'm really interested in your thoughts on product curation. Any tips or examples on how to nail it? Does that sound more casual?
Very, very cool.
Great. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, I want your output to be audio and text, please, for this one.
Sure thing. I see the reactions pop up on the LinkedIn post. There are 24 total reactions, with 17 likes, 4 celebrates, and 3 insights.
Now let's have a look at the product insights for my company. You can see here there's a graph around weekly users. Can you let me know the percentage increase that we've had using this particular feature from September 23rd through to December?
Certainly. The weekly users chart shows a significant increase from around September 23rd to the peak in mid-November. The numbers jump from approximately 10 weekly users to a peak of roughly 120 users, indicating about a 1,100% increase between the 2 periods. However, the percentage increase calculated in this graph from the beginning of the chart to the highest point of the graph is roughly 600%. Is that helpful?
Very helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome.